Hello, Dr. Jeff here with my wife, Dr. Jenny.
Hi.
As you can see, she is 7 months pregnant here, but as part of chiropractic care, we want to make sure that she's doing fine. Sometimes her biomechanics will be altered as she walks. She'll have a lot of back pain as it comes across there. So what we're going to do then is adjust her and make sure that her spine is doing fine. Show you how I and even Dr. Jenny will adjust pregnant ladies as they come in due to the fact that they might be experiencing some back pain and whatnot, okay?
Yeah.
So let's have you come over here and have you lie on your side. This up here. You come a little bit closer.
Yep.
So just like that, just relax. So we're just gonna go right across the sacrum here. Good, okay. Maybe like face up. Okay, so put your arms together like this. Good. And I'm just gonna have you breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good, very good. And then what we're gonna do then is adjust you here in the neck. Okay, just relax. Turn your head to the right. Have your chin go up just a little bit. Good. Just relax. Good. And then on this side here too. A little bit more. Relax. Oh, that's it. All right. Good. Okay, let's have you roll to the side here. Good. And push up. Do the best that you can. All right. It's good.
Okay. So many expecting mom might experiencing problems such as low back pain because you are getting heavier, and also the relaxant hormones will loosen up the joints. So a lot of times you try to find remedies to alleviate the pain because going to over-the-counter medication might not be the good choice for you because you're expecting and it's just not suitable for pregnancy. So there's a few ways you can alleviate our problems, make a pregnancy easier, more smooth. So the few options you can consider is chiropractic. Obviously done by professionals because pregnancy there could be other complications if you're not doing this correctly. So if you have any additional questions regarding is it safe to do chiropractic care during pregnancy? How can chiropractic help me? If I'm expecting, you can just comment below, let us know. And as always, we always enjoy answering those questions. So thank you for tuning in.
Thank you. Take care.